Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Brony, ma, Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see a hole, you want to me, I war. Ni wa madane kwa. What I know, fair, what do be now? Oh, Abra, wakona. He gave him a big tactical format. Asem nabe, somebody wife asem nabe. I feel I wanted. What the corners? What the corners? See, I wanted. What the corners? What the corners?
Where is he? Where is he?
Who?
Guy no. Oh wait.
Who you Masumano?
Masumano. Into when guy na be fear me boy.
Yeah.
What's on tell somebody? Oh, me no worry man, so no worry me. Me say what's more. Ade.
Who na worry?
I can't say nyabo. Enti, I the guy no. I don't fear be. I don't fear. Mama ka say me chiro. Me be fear outside me be mu. Na guy na me see fear obi. Me dey make what say.
Maka to say nyabo.
Me nyabo tell say
3 days. Let be o.
Yeah, you got to say 3 days. Into why you are there na market into who pack on your so when you guys need to chat be fear. Ade. Me bo. Ade when you got the trip plan maybe so.
Me dem na trip plan.
I mean, do I look stupid to you?
Now so many years I asked now. I mean, do a free kind of bad then 2-3 days. Not about between banana.
Then we maintain.
Say, Mamma, me, Abena. Mamma, so I wouldn't make my brother per man. And I'm mere son of a hand as a poor be goes upon this, Max and Simi, and I'm so on poor be outside of the Kunyan.
Ah, me bo. Maybe, sir, one rise on a worry. Maybe so.
Nanya won a wine.
And I don't say myself.
I just mean you wasn't.
Yeah, Mamma Kevin sure. And then first and last, yeah, boy, no, by me packing in the man. Me the fear. What's he?
Mr.
What's he? What's he? What's he?
My friend Abena.
Shut the fuck up, I'm talking. What's he? What's he? Mr. Mabba be a money if you have you. What's he? Okay, good.
Hey, Abena. As a moon. Ha! Boy, you call me so the Mukwan and open the crank. Get my dog from me. Oh, slowly, please. Go down small, please. Yeah. You have a soft hand.
Thank you.
Wow. Why did you run away the last time? Are you not a man? What is wrong with you?
I'm a man,
But what? Can't you see?
Nothing, I'm okay. Can I get some again?
Okay. You're lucky. Wow. You were good.
Thank you.
So
Can I I'm finished. Can I? Oh, Sister Bridget, I'm sorry.
what is it?
Nothing.
What is it?
Nothing.
Is it because of Mabel?
Yes.
I'll leave her. Me and you, we are both Africans. So what's your problem?
No. This time.
It's me that told her to come and pick you. You know, because I wanted to see.
But
I wanted to have a.
No.
Again. Hey, what is wrong with this guy? Oh, this first time he pushed me, second time, today too. I don't think he has this manpower. Hi, my brother is in trouble, but still I will disturb this guy. I will always disturb him till he do it.
Hallo. Hi. Alles gut? Ja, super. Schön. Komm rein. Läuft? Gut. Ja? Papa Kumasi ist da. Ach so, okay, bei den Hühnern. Ja. Okay. Und läuft gut so? Perfekt. Ja? Ja, ganz zufrieden. Schön. Schön. Auch kein Stress für dich oder so? Nein, überhaupt nicht. Okay, ist okay. Ja. Schön, freut mich. Ja, dann gehe ich einfach mal zu ihm hin. Genau. Ja? Guck Danke, einfach. Ne? Ja, bitte. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Hey, Papa Kumasi. Hello. Hey, my shoes. It's okay, let's stand here. Yeah, sorry. I'm cool. And you? I'm working, as you can see. Yeah, I'm working. They are just eating. Hey. Yeah, they are eating. Oh. Okay. And how it is? Oh, everything is okay. Since you are not here, I can't do anything. I have to work, and then. So I'm working. But it's a nice place, though. Yeah, it's a nice place. I like it. Yeah. But a little bit tired. Okay. You know, you clean here, you do this. Yeah, it's hard. Why? I go, your friend plays stress. I come here, stress. Yeah. You say I come to you, we stay together, you come, I come here, you go work every day, you go somewhere, I don't see you. You bring me here to come and work too. Oh, come on. If this work, I stay for Ghana and do. Not come here and do. Yeah. But I think it's good because so you can get small money for yourself, you know. Yeah, I know, but the chef told me right now you are very good. She said everything is really good you are doing. She's very happy for your help. Okay. You understand? And thank her for me. Yesterday she gave me food. Yeah, she gave me food, yes. Okay. And I was cold. She gave me blanket to cover myself. Oh. She's good. Oh. Thank her for me, okay? I will do that. Yeah. So when are you taking me to your house? I can't be staying here. No, I will take you. You know, it's just like we need small money to buy stuff, but I will take you. Maybe today evening or tomorrow, tell me I can take you, then I can bring you here back. Hey, it's morning. Mama, until Sabe jam ha kwasa kwachina basa bachina na morning beam. Abena, me basa me baba wana ma pejuma and I'm the biscuit ko him mama Ghana. Yeah. You say what? What I'm saying is, it's okay. I'll manage. It's okay. Yeah. You say you go and come back and take me go and I'm manage. Is this okay for you? I'll manage. If it's not okay, I can't follow you giddy because you are working. You don't have time. Yeah. I can't chase you to have time for me. You say I should stay here, work here, get money. You come take me to your house. This is Germany life. It's not easy. You know, we have to work to get money. But if this work is there, and come to Ghana, madam, come on, man. Come on, Makalina, and come to Ghana. Okay. You understand? I try to understand you. You always stand there, you talk your language, me, I don't understand, so you have to teach me. What I'm saying is, the chicken, can I kill one and chop? Oh, you have to ask the chef. If I can kill. Oh, you cannot kill just like that. Oh, okay. Yeah, you have to ask, not later, she's saying something different. Oh, okay. So you can ask her. Did you bring me something? Yeah, I bring you some clothes and some stuff, so we can go and pick it from the car. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Oh, thank you so very much. Let me drop this one here. Yeah. We go. Hey, this dog, I'm afraid of it too. Oh, why? It's big. I like it. This dog. Yeah. Nice. Come here, boy. I'm afraid of it too. Oh, yeah, I love the place. It's like Ghana. Yeah? Yeah, it's like Ghana. It's like Ghana farm, yeah. Wow. Yeah. So the car is just there. Okay. Thank you, come. Papa, Kumasi. Minti no maybe I say. It took by you, Juma. Anyway. Oh, Wafa. And I make us again, I may buy out, me again on me Brunin de me baha. So you me free na down free fee on the corner ninja offer. All my ninja, my head, my catcher will say, my man found Conaman who paid you my pamount, and yet, my coming one 7 years, I was said that. We now be what's it be you? Offer, and I make you say, me, my Bruni or the me buy, or the mamma make a turn down from China and a down for no boy, and then a down for no come. And to get on 20 million rages, so you flew again, also Brunino, Najuma or your transfer na kobe before no or Bahano Abehanoko, or Bahano Abehanoko, Naminko Pejuma, Neje, so be yes. Offer, no, not me Bahasica. No, not me Bah. I am a county as I say Brunin Minan Honko. I better make a Brunin Waquacum fee. Once you can be actually offer, no, not me buy. I met to him, says, Bobra, Edisi Cabe fee. Anyway, any Uncle Cono, I wish Uncle Cosonia the way you had a Juma. Huh? I
Ofa, Basia, now, mammy pressure. I am mammy pressure.
My pressure.
Say, Miss Coffee or McCoy and if you also buy family this week, Yana, this week, or buy from Macunifi. Because you are my one, who baby, I'm it.
Or no coconut said, or did you and
then you share, or be a Juma, may I make Jessica house a man to be Jamaica.
What did you say?
Nanka,
wait a year, Juma. I'm sorry, and cocoa toilet in the idea of a proper, any other BBC and up. I'm a copper company where come out, among white ye, among what tone, on pet.
From Bacho Tram 1 second, Tram. I am a Fabian number.
Sempa na me wo fa si pa wo ma me hu ni si obi man so ube pep ube bobra
now anyway time aso for nkoko no say me o maduane nti me ba 1 second
sempa
Hey, out.
Mama didi na adwuma mesua abroche no mo didi mame try for me Ofa me bomb pacho 1 second. Time no suma mo maduane oba no betu suma mo maduane oni
me adwuma.
Ofa obetua me ka.
Say no betua wo ka. Eye say.
Ofa wo dia wo ya wo say no baby a wuti akwan wa. Wo fi a wo de me ko wo bakra wo bre wo si 2 hours. Wo be fi a de bakra kodu baby a wuti ko say na
kwabra na ye dey.
Ana me say wo de nya
ye me moja wo. Wonu ye better than say wo be baba betina obi ebuo mu asede ba wo be ye adwuma we de be adwuma na wo nya free. Boy, a dear basica and the papa ben on your film. Papa should be you, obi man so now. Oba saw the Bob Brana, so by say, to say, me get one in Tiasi, so do about which. Offer, or ban on the family free gun. And to say, no, what do you cut down for? Was baby or 10 when you're ready into me hanging around. Baby, and say, baby. It is on that do buy ya. Or so Sebi, we so stay from now power Juma now ye. Sent to on quarantine or Somosa, or bet me up some Nipanesa. Or do I aqua? What is all do I aqua? She be for me aqua, the attendant say, I know a be gardener, or Pobiamana Shani Pane to quine. Me bow them but she and Panipanzu to quine for almost 1 week at the centimeter man, me quite 500. I don't know the old mayor. On some wife for a nest or no Quajuma. And the Nippon see any Nippo, Nimno, so Pobiano, semi or Hawk at the end, and I'm so miss me 500 euros 1 week as I say, no cat is cacket over. Cobra. Ah, Mamma, I mean, too full, me to ship me too full. What did he? Me okay. Me okay, me make a night. And I'm still in the Mammy Bushy, and I'm in Meshe. I have now also 1 year, Juma, any. But see, the son of all come me there, Meko. Me be near. I make a son. I know, or say there. Mr. Macan, okay, so be behind, okay, I'm so be Barbie Hemian. You got me by when you mean in the Casa, me catching so soon, yeah, Juma. Two Barbie heard to me, Barbie shed Juma, we ye, me bushy, say, Neno, make when you ready, and pay me mushy, and I'm not shed Juma, we and I may buy any a Juma, we. Of all the way, I come to Monsami and Canada, Canada, you what I said. I come to Monsami, Canada, you far quite. I can't tell you some can't do because I always says, but when in now, that's a mean page, my mouth, and I may found what's not me. Nanny and Kakanka, come now, will be mine so dear. You use your mind, and your dear Juma. Of I see what I I won't not buy also my precious. I had stress the same to me, me father, so to me a day. Ah, my precious, I may yes, I will found it. Yeah, me catch you. So they me can't win see me. Be me. Ah, my stress is I am calling my coffee in the